What's up everybody, we got a unboxing video here today. I'm MITSUBISHI. For those who are coming back to my channel, welcome back. For the new ones, well, welcome. If you haven't already, subscribe, comment, like, do all that nice stuff to this video today if you find it informative. I'm pretty sure you will because I'll be linking down below how I got to get a custom set of coilovers from Fortune Auto from my sponsor Unrivalled Performance that happened to team up with Cygnus. Now, they gave me a custom color, one of one. I don't know what it looks like. There are some hints on the box here that say gunmetal, but we'll be getting into that in just a bit. Before that, I also got a custom goodie here from, surprisingly enough, a dude from a MITSUBISHI forum who makes vents. We'll be getting into the unboxing and let's go. Hopefully I don't scratch anything. Now I am filming my face not because it's beautiful, but I actually want to get a reaction myself and see what it looked like when I opened this for the first time, if I can get it open. Oh damn. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh, I like what I see, man. Dude, Mark, shout out to you, dude. You outdid yourself with this. It was worth the wait. Oh man, I am so excited to go put these on. Hell yes. It just looks really badass. So I will get a quick video of these being put on and then we'll go take a look later. Okay, I am rather nervous because I didn't really get a say on the color. They just said, hey listen, you know what? Trust us, we'll keep it covered. I'm sure you'll like it. You know what? They're coilovers. I won't really see them anyways. Even if I don't think I'll be disappointed by the color, but enough babbling. Let's actually get to this unboxing. I still cannot see the color of the coils because they're very well wrapped. But we got here a Fortune Auto Certificate of Assembly. So model CY4A, which is for my Ralliart, built by Nate Boucher. Thank you, Nate, for doing a great job. And I did get the spring rates of 10K front, 10K rear. Yes, it is very stiff, but for what I'm doing, I won't be dailying my car as much anymore in the future. And I'll be tracking and doing autocross. I was recommended of getting this spring rate. So 10K front, 10K rear. It's an all-wheel drive, so that's what I was recommended. The guys in the forums, close buddies of mine who also have the Ralliarts. These coilovers come with the radial bearing mount, as I'm seeing here, and premium springs. I didn't know we'd be getting those. And locking spring perches, as per this certificate here that I'll probably display on my wall and display of glory. In here we, of course, have the locks or wrenches, as you would want to call them. Let's see if there's there's also a user's guide. Instructions in Japanese probably will be useful to the mechanic that will be helping me put these on. Fortune Auto sticky that I'll be putting on my car with pride. That's for damn sure. Let's get this out of the way here. And now to finally see the color of these coils. Now, I can't really see through this plastic bubble wrapping. As we can see, it's wrapped pretty well. It looks like a dark color, so I'm pretty excited. Ooh. Alright. These, oh man, these are nice. Like a space gray kind of thing for the spring. Metallic blue, and it's like a really nice black. And as you can see here, the custom Cygnus Performance logo up there. Thank you guys so much. This is great. I'm going to unbox another one. This is the, I think this is the front, so I'll unbox one of the rear. Oh baby, oh baby, so nice. Oh, you know what I really like? It's not too flashy. It's just enough. It has like little hints there, so you might be able to see these every, you know, when you're looking at the wheels. Once again, I think every single one at the top of the plate has a Cygnus Performance logo on them. I am super satisfied with this. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe. It helps me out a lot. Comment down below to tell me what you think. Like the video, please. It really helps out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time. A little review about the setup and stuff like that for the vents or aero vents. I put them on. You know, for what they are for, little like, I would say, like, what do you want to call it, like cosmetic defect. I'll show you guys here. So, it's good, okay, and then, whatever, has could use some work here. And as for the other side, see, that's just like that on both sides. I don't know if it's because, nope, it's just like that. But hey, at the end of the day, they're gonna work, and they're gonna work just fine. They're gonna be vents, and if you look at them quickly, they're cool. So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.